we do Marichyasana C. So this is a twist. So both legs straight. Okay, bend your right knee, right foot is on the floor. Okay, so keep this foot close to the other side. So if you can put it against, that's great. But if you cannot, then just keep that close. Okay, now, and press this foot firmly on the floor. So what I don't want to see is this. I don't want to see the knee go to the side. Okay, so foot is pressed to the floor. Now, gonna twist. Inhale, lift your right arm. Exhale, put this hand on the floor behind you. Inhale, left arm up. Bring that across, reach across, okay? There are different ways to do this, but today, put your knee inside the elbow. So you wrap the knee around the arm, knee inside the elbow. If you cannot get to this position, just hug in anyway, just in a normal sense, okay? Now, so pull your stomach in, long spine. You need to keep this left leg really alive and active. Inhale. Exhale, twist. So you need to use more of your abdominal muscle to twist if you have your arm in this position. And this straight leg actually really helps. So keep the leg on the floor. And that helps you to twist more. In from the nose, out from the nose. So you look something at the back. Okay, back to the center. Okay, we change the size. Bend your left leg. The foot on the floor. Okay, so maybe a little gap or no gap. Push the foot firmly on the floor, knees up. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Put this hand on the floor behind you. Inhale, right arm up. Okay, bring that across. So reach, reach, reach. So get really good stretch. Then come back a little bit. Knee inside the elbow or just hug. Now, strong belly, so long back. Activate your abdominal muscle. And the right leg strong. Now twist to your left. So keep looking at something. Okay, so your right leg is straight. Really keep pushing the heel away. So that leg is helping you to twist. Also, you need to have your left foot firmly on the floor. So you don't let the knee go to the side. Okay, back to the center. Well done. Okay, feet on the floor, lift your back. Okay, feet together. Okay, pull the heels through as much as you can. Catch over the toes. Okay. Now, roll. Okay. So if you like, you can just relax your neck and shoulders, whatever you like. Just move about if you want. Just let the energy flow naturally. Okay, then put your thumbs on the soles of the feet, fingers on top. Let's see if you can open the feet. Okay, try to open the feet and straight back. Look straight. Squeeze your pelvic floor, squeeze your abdominal muscle in. In from the nose, out from the nose. Inhale. Exhale, go down. So bend from the head. And now you can relax your back. You can drop the head and stay. Breathe in from the nose, out from the nose. Keep your pelvic floor muscle lifted. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. And come out. Okay, very good. Okay, let's just do one more. Push your feet a little away. You have bigger space. Diamond. Grab the ankles. Inhale, long, long spine. Exhale, push your belly button to the spine, spine to the back. So round and flex your back. Okay, so pull your tummy in, then head to the feet. Focus on your breath. In from the nose, out from the nose. Okay, come up.